How to activate Premier Bank's debit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate Premier Bank's debit card. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, search for Premier Bank on your web browser. After you do that, you will see Premier Bank's website pop up, so you can open that up. After you open up your Premier Bank's uh, website, what you'll then need to do is there you'll find an option called Internet Banking. Right here, tap on it, and it should take you to this page where you can log in into your account. So here you'll see the login option. Here you'll see request new user. So you can create an account if you don't have it from new user request, or you can simply log in using this page. All you have to do is type in your user ID, your password. So type in your password and then fill your CAPTCHA. Then tap on the sign in option to sign in into your account. After you sign in, head over to your manage your card section, and under there you'll find your debit card. So simply select the debit card, type in the details of your debit card there, and then tap on activate. After that, your debit card will get activated, and it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.